What's up, guys? So it's day 2 of our trip, and look at our view in the morning.
Look at our
It's
view.
freaking.
Look at the view.
Look at the view right there.
This is the view.
Yo, Daryl. It's crazy. We just had our breakfast, and then we're gonna head to our ski resort that we're gonna go to. I think it's just like 5 minutes away. Not sure what we're gonna do for now. It's only 8 o'clock. But the ski resort is open already, so we'll see. We'll see what we're gonna do. We're just gonna head to our car and figure out what we're gonna do. So I'll see you guys wherever we end up. So we finally got our gears on, and we're just kind of putting our stuff away just because there's no locker. Let's go home. It's so cold in here, so it's very cold in here, and we're just like really bundled up. You guys ready?
Fuck yeah.
All right, let's roll. So we're pretty much done snowboarding. Me and Mel stopped snowboarding, but Daryl is still out there. Me and Mel are just really tired. Like, I wiped out like a few times already. Like, I'm really sore. But anyway, we took the gondola, and we're just on top and just sightseeing and all that. Heading down the gondola now. Like, look at Mel. Mel's really like just tired and like ready to pass out. He's out. We're heading down. We're gonna go grab something to eat, and tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow's gonna be a rest day, so we're just gonna be driving around and maybe just go to band. And as you guys can see, we got some skiers and snowboarders going down. But I'll see you guys down there, and hopefully Daryl is already down there. Alright guys, so we just got back to our hotel. We got some food at the Lake Louise Village Grill and Bar, and to be honest, I don't even know if we're gonna be going out anymore. The boys are really tired. We're probably just gonna hit up the hot tub and then pass out and then get ready for tomorrow. That's pretty much it for this vlog. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.